I've never played Zoom Beach on this channel once. Never ever played it on this channel before. But I've played it on other channels, other channels. So we're gonna play Fuel of War. Fuel War. Yeah, boom boom. Bajoings. Bajingoings. No way. Okay then. I'm gonna heal you guys up. Yeah. Oh, that was so darn easy. We lost some troops, but we didn't lose much. We still have a lot of time left. Nobody's gonna think that we're gone. Yeah. What? Oh, darn it. Barnacles. Oh my god. Uh-huh. Watch out. Oil spill. Another slight victory. No. Wow, only 19 minutes. Well, we're just gonna go to another one. Fire away. Fire. Yeah. Okay, then I guess since everyone's just attacking on there, you do a little health generation just to help. What? Not even claim. Alright, I gotta do it. I don't think I'm a 10. Oh, this is a real guy. Okay, we're talking about a real guy right now. We're attacking a real guy with some real problems. Yeah, that's exactly what we're supposed to be doing. Not very helpful. Wait, I shot a health bomb over there. Well, at least we still won. Okay. What type is this guy? Yeah, and he looks pretty good. Okay, this guy looks way better than me. Okay, retreat. Confirm. I said confirm. Definitely confirm. Because we are level 16. And I just guess we're going to buy some more land. Let's attack this guy. Okay. let's put this down, and then this down, and then this down on there. And not that much of a time difference. Okay, I just need someone to go over here and kind of just attack it for a little bit. Whoa! Dun 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 doings! Dun 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 doings! Dun 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 dun. I don't know why I'm dancing. Wow. So this guy's not going to be much of a deal much. Not really much of a... Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's destroy this as well. How good are we? We're rocking it. Wow. Another easy victory. And see, look at that. We are winning, and we got 3 more minutes left of recording, and okay then. So this is now my resource. So now this is my resource base. So I just took it over. Huh. What? What the awesome sauce? Wow. Well then I guess we're just gonna retreat. Confirm it. Yep, we lost. Okay then, I guess we're just kinda done now. Change troops. We're gonna change it to him. And we're gonna change it to her. And we're gonna change it to her. Wow. Let's see, do we have enough? Very close. Well guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below other games I should play for like a little bit. Bye.